Sutton Mobile Disco. Plays at all those funny hours of the evening. Coming to a country road near you.
Whose playlist is it?
Certainly not mine.
Is this
guys.
yours, Emily?
Bruce got kicked off music.
Ah, right.
The soundtrack wasn't really the go for that sort of evening.
Here we are, 10 k's out of Frankton on a nice flat road. So just done the Devil's Staircase, which was 20 odd k. Pretty good. Yeah, it's about 2:30 in the morning. Nice. Run into Frankton, just about to head over the bridge. I do believe that there is perhaps a McDonald's for the boys. Call it a fish burger for myself, so that'll be quite nice for a change. But reasonably happy with what time we've arrived here. Possibly could be, what's time?
About 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, not bad time.
Good work, and how's it going for you, Emily? Good of you to join in.
Oh, it's fresh as a daisy, it's great. That's good fun.
Good work.